Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a microwave chocolate mug cake. This is super quick to make. It takes less than 2 minutes to cook, and it's just for one serving. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, into a microwave-safe mug, add in the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, and mix them using a fork until they're combined. Then add in the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract, and mix them until they're combined. Then add in the chocolate chips and fold them in until they're combined. Then heat it in the microwave on full power for 1 to 1.5 minutes until it's fully cooked. If you like more gooey molten chocolates, heat it for less time. Try not to heat it too long or it can come out rubbery. When it's done, remove it from the microwave and let it cool slightly. And you can add a scoop of ice cream, whipped cream, or a dusting of powdered sugar. And enjoy it while it's still warm. And that's how to make a microwave chocolate mug cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.